Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our next Facebook Live class number 25 project and PDF tutorial for the Boston Layered Box Album. So it measures 8 inches across, 10 inches deep by 2¼ inches here. And I've used papers from the Sleeping Beauty collection by Stamperia to decorate the project. So here is the collection. Pretty papers. Tells the story of Sleeping Beauty through all the pictures. Fabulous backgrounds in here as well. And I've used the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8 and the 6 by 6, which is a new addition to the collections, along with 1 or 2 elements from the card collection too. So this is a great project for those larger picture papers, and it's been designed as a presentation album with the layers. So we've got a magnetic closure hidden into the covers, and the project lifts up and opens out. And on the 2 flaps at the top, I've added some of my pictures into here so that you can see how the album would come together. So I've got my mum and her 2 sisters at the top, and then as little girls, and then at the bottom here they are in the same order with an additional sister because she was born just after the war, and this is Auntie Sheila's wedding. So I was going to make this into a family album. And then we've got 2 side flaps that open out, and you can see all of those lovely layers in the centre ready to put your pictures on. So you've got 2¼ inches to layer up and add dimension to the pages. The pages are on extended spines and they all open out, flipping either way, giving you large areas to put your pictures on, which is really nice. So as soon as you start to put your pictures in, it really brings the album to life. So it's not overcomplicated, it's a simple, elegant background for the pictures to really pop out of. Here's one of the cards that I've used, and I've put me and my lovely little sister Annie in here. That was her first birthday. Perfect place to pop those. If you follow me, you know I love creating closures with paper clips and adding pictures with paper clips. It means that they're removable, so you can always change your project around. Each of the pages has got a pull-out photo mat. Again, that gives you more layers to put your pictures on. And because I've only used 1 12 by 12, 1 8 by 8 and 1 6 by 6, I haven't decorated all of the photo mats. They've just got the 1-inch strip at the top of paper. But depending on how much paper you want to use, you could decorate them all. This is a 6 by 6 paper, perfect for a pocket on this page. And then I've used an 8 by 8 paper inside, and then sort of built up with another piece of paper at the bottom. But actually it works all together. If you keep the black lines going, then you can montage and use up lots and lots of your layers of paper or pieces of paper that you've got left. And we've got another pocket on here on the back, and then behind the pockets there are places to pop journaling spots as well, pull out tags or more photos. And then when you get to the middle, we've got a lovely place for a picture here. Maybe that's too big, but would fit if it was portrait. And then a buckle closure with a pocket on the back. Again, perfect to pop your pictures in. I've just put a couple of tags in there. And then layered photo mats again, leading to a large area in the centre that you can then add more pictures. So it's a lovely, lovely album for putting lots and lots of pictures, not so many layers, but lots and lots of pictures, so that you have a fabulous array of your memories. So let's close it up. So if you love the album and you'd like to join the class or buy the PDF, then follow the links below. I've also listed all of the products that I've used to make the album, so there's a shopping list as well. And let's just close it all up. As I say, it's a fabulous album to use those large picture papers on. We don't always see albums that really focus on these beautiful 12 by 12s that we're getting in the collections now. So that is the Boston Layered Box Album. If you're interested, follow the links below. I hope I've inspired you to be creative. Thanks very much for watching the video. And let me just say, if you're new to our Facebook Live classes and you want to come along, you'll find lots of information out if you follow the link below. But you can watch them after the event. You don't have to join the live class. Once the live videos have streamed, they're available to watch after the event in the Facebook group. And if you're not a Facebooker, lots and lots of ladies and gents have created a Facebook account just to come and join the classes. But there is a PDF for this as well. So all that said, happy crafting, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, click on that bell, and then you'll get notifications of new products and projects as they come out.